Hey, what's going on YouTube? Asian Music Review is here, back again for another episode for you guys. How's my AMR army doing? You guys good? You guys Gucci? I know you guys are Gucci. Hey guys, just hit the thumbs up. Before we even see this reaction, just hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Let's go, guys. Let's grow this channel. Let's make AMR great again. You know, even though I don't think AMR was ever great. You know, he was just below average. Disclaimer. Hey, I don't know Chinese. All I know is English. Ain't gonna understand the lyrics, guys. So, people who disappointed on me with that, sorry, you guys have to continue to be disappointed, you know. But I gotta say, it's cool opinion. Before we get this episode started, play my intro. AMR Army, you can tell by the title already. Yes, it's true. It's true. Doing another reaction to Mayday. Finally, you guys are like, finally he's doing Mayday reaction. Here it is, Mayday right here. I got a lot of requests for this. You know, this title of the song is called Washing Machine. This is like back in the second round album, which was 2013. I have the digital album of it. So, and people told me, hey, this has closed caption and stuff. Disclaimer again, I download my video before I do a reaction, and there's no disclaimer. I can't pop up the freaking closed caption. So, and I'm like, you know, like at least 10 feet away from my computer. I have those dinky monitor that's like 15 inches. So I ain't gonna see squat. ain't gonna read letters, you know, or characters, or you know, words. I ain't gonna be able to read that. So here it is, Washing Machine by Mayday. You guys ready? You guys ready? I know you guys are ready. You guys been like, hey, react to this, react to this, react to this. I'm like, okay. AMR Army, you got me. But here it is. You guys ready? You guys know the rules. Hey, you guys got your tickets yet? You guys got your tickets? If you don't have your tickets, you might as well hit me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, then hit the back button, you know? You guys don't have your tickets, you know? But if you do have your tickets, hey, let's go to the AMR Arena. AMR Arena, let's go. AMR Arena, guys. Mayday is about to go on stage. I have VIP access right here. Washing machine. Washing machine. Psh. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Whew. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it doesn't work. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Man, my thing is all dinky and stuff. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, my button is all lame and stuff. It works. Okay. Ashley still has the same hair right here. Okay. I heard this song before. So this song's about a washing machine right here. I feel like he hasn't changed his hair. It's been the same. It's like a happy song for me. find it weird. It's about a washing machine. Kind of weird. Shoot a music video with the washing machine. Kind of weird. What's that? He's like, I'm trying to teach class here. Hey, stop messing around. I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this. You guys be like, hey, turn the closed caption on. I already knew it. I already knew it. I can't believe I went to the concert, man. I went to the live tour last year. Time flies. It's like, hey, I'm trying to teach you how to do laundry here. Stop messing around. So he went to grab that stick. He's about to It's like photos of people doing laundry and stuff, you know? Hey, your machine's broken. Let's go. It's like I graduated. Washing machine. Very interesting music video. Very, very interesting music video. Now they're watching just like, All right, end of that music video. You guys know what time it is. It's time for me to break it down. Hey, my army, Mayday fans. Man, what can I say about the music video? You know, first, again, I know there's closed caption. I download the video before I do a reaction. There's no closed caption. So, after that, man, this is a very interesting music video. Washing machine. It's about washing machine. That's about it. It's a strange title and a song, you know? Like, no, I wouldn't say the song is bad. I would say it's strange if someone, can you imagine someone like over here in the US do a song about washing machine? It's kind of weird. But again, there is some weird song out there. So, yeah, maybe this is what it is. Yeah, it's very interesting. Very interesting. This is like the 2013 album, second round. This is, what, 5 years ago? So, you know, it's a cheerful song. It's a cheerful song. I like it. You know, I like the song. It's a cheerful song. And the music was entertaining to me. Entertaining. You know, I'm kind of confused what's going on in the music video. Hey, whatever. Still Gucci to me. You know, still Gucci to me. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Like we see, hit a thumbs up. Man. Like we see, hit the thumbs up. Leave the comments down below if you do or you don't like this reaction. Give me a thumbs down. You guys could, you know, drop some negative comments. Whatever. You know, whatever, it works. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, guys. And yeah, that's it. Remember, my opinion is professional. is just unlicensed. So AMR signing out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode. Take care. 最后才不得不爱过，原来我